Don't you love new announcements? I'm a fan of it, especially when it comes from Nikon.
Damn.
I am such a lucky girl. I have been invited to test out the new mirrorless cameras from Nikon, the Z7 II and Z6 II. So what's new from the previous models? Let's find out.
Bonjour my fellow high-tech fans and welcome back to my channel. Today is a fun day. We'll get to play with the new cameras from Nikon. And if you're new here to my channel, bienvenue. My name is Céline, I'm a Belgian TV journalist and testing, learning about those high-tech devices is one of my passions. Now that you et moi, we know each other, let's get going.
Could you introduce yourself?
I'm an NPS and Nikon school manager at Nikon, where I'm responsible for the professional market of Belgium and Luxembourg.
Tell us more. Let's first start about the specs of the photography. What's the difference between the old Z6 and Z7? Let's start, what's this one, the Z7?
Actually, the main Z6 and Z7 stays in the market, so it doesn't replace them. We add those two cameras. The main differences are actually for both cameras the same. We have a double processor, so double X speed, which means that everything goes much faster. If you know something about computers, you know double processor means really a huge difference.
These two cameras have now each a double processor, meaning the autofocus is incredibly fast. The autofocus and tracking system have not only the eye recognition for humans, but for animals as well.
We have also a better high and low ISO performance. We have double cards.
2 years ago, Nikon decided to equip the Z7 and Z6 with a single XQD card slot. That wasn't welcomed by many fans. Well, this time the Z6 and Z7 II are offering a secondary slot. Not only one slot is still for the XQD cards, but the other one can be used by SD cards. What about the videos? Because I really want to know, can we shoot in 4K at more than 60 frames per second, for example?
No, but it gives 4K 60 frames per second already in this camera. It's quite unique in the way that this 4K is also giving the new autofocus possibility with eye recognition in video.
A question we really want to know. When we film in 4K at 60 frames per second, does it crop?
It crops a little bit, but I think this is not a big issue, as these are photo and video cameras. It just really all functionalities which you need for a professional photo camera and even a professional video camera, in the way you have 120 images a second for a full HD. You have different file formats like the N-Log, like HLG, which is a kind of HDR, which is cool for post-production. You have ProRes RAW option. You have so many possibilities to get even highest quality for television or video use. The idea really of the cameras is to have best for all solution in one camera.
The Nikon Z7 II shares a 45.7 megapixel count with the company's previous model, and both sensors have a backside illuminated design to help with light capture. The sensor in the Nikon Z7 II still has 493 phase detect autofocus pixels to help with focusing.
If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews, tutorials and fun.
With my Z6, my actual Z6, which is the previous model, can I use the same battery if I buy the new one?
Yes, you can use the same battery. You can also use new battery in your actual camera. Actually, they're both 15, which means that they are compatible with all cameras from Nikon using this type of battery. There are two differences between the batteries actually. It's 300 milliampere plus, so it's now 2200 and a little instead of 1900 for the older one. Plus you can charge and use the battery at the same time, or use a power bank at the same time with this battery, which you can't do with the older battery.
Both cameras offer excellent image quality, great video, lovely handling. I will see you very soon for a proper testing of both cameras.
What do you think about these new cameras? Let's have a chat in the comment section down below. En dessous, if you want to see me again for more reviews and tutorials, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I will see you very soon. Take care. Salut!